Diary of St. Francis de Sales, December 2nd. Attachment to grave sins keeps charity completely imprisoned by injustice. Attachment to venial sins does not destroy charity, it merely binds it like a slave, preventing its freedom and action. By exposing our affection to the enjoyment of creatures, we deprive ourselves of the ultimate communion with God that charity brings. In short, this attachment to venial sin causes us to lose the inner aids and assistance which are like the vital spirits of the soul. Their absence results in a certain paralysis, which, if not remedied, leads to mortal sin and eternal death. Theotimus, Book 4, Chapter 2. On December 2nd, 1618, St. Francis de Sales, while in Paris with the Cardinal Prince of Savoy to arrange the marriage of Princess Christine of France with the most serene Prince of Piedmont, Victor Amadeus, began preaching Advent in the Church of St. Andrew with great success. That same day, he delivered a second sermon with the Jesuit fathers, wonderfully praising St. Francis Xavier, Apostle of Japan and India. He was very devoted to him and often confessed that he received great assistance for his mission in Chablais. He invoked him every day and always kept him present. Our saint, moved, would say, "Alas, indeed, one must do everything possible to win a soul." Reflection of December 2nd. This reflection teaches us about the dangers of attachment to sin, whether grave or venial. While venial sins do not destroy charity, they hinder and limit its actions. St. Francis de Sales warns about the progression that can lead from venial sin to mortal sin, if not timely addressed. Additionally, his devotion to St. Francis Xavier and the success in his Advent preaching highlight the importance of seeking inspiration and spiritual support from the saints and working tirelessly for the salvation of souls. His dedication to his mission and ability to inspire others are a powerful example of the effectiveness of love and charity in action.